friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday January 17th to Saturday January 23rd 2021. These are all my digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with digital and printable coupon deal. And we all of them know this Sunday we have CRT issue. Hope so they are fix this issue very soon. So let's begin with the CVS deal. So my first deal it's Crease toothpaste deal. Buy one Crease toothpaste and get back $1 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's also sell $3 each. Buy one Crease 3D white toothpaste 3 to 3.5 OZ it's $3. Use one $2 off Crease toothpaste digital coupon. Pay or roll only just $1 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush deal. This deal you can do only just Sunday. If you have the CRT 4 of 16, buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and toothbrush and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste 4.5 OZ. It's total $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Make sure check which one it's included. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 Colgate Optic White Total SF Advanced Digital Coupon. It's expired on January 17th Sunday. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Colgate toothbrush deal or Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothbrush and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Also, we have a Colgate toothpaste on sale $3.49 each, but they not giving the extra buck back. Buy 2 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city, it's total $10.38. It's $5.19 each. Buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, it's total $6.98. It's $3.49 each. The totals come out $17.36. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $5 of 2 Colgate Instant Coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on January 17th. Pay or roll $8.36 and get back $5 ECB for toothbrush. The final cost all product is $3.36 or 84 cents each. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Maybelline single eye shadow, it's $4.49. Also you can buy 1 Maybelline Fit Me blush, it's $6.49. The totals come out $10.98. Use one $2 off Maybelline digital coupon and use one $2 off Maybelline printable coupon on coupon.com. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal scenario 1. Spend $12 on Revlon Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Revlon Skin Light Highlighter. It's $12.49. You can use one $3 of $12 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Revlon Cosmetic digital coupon. It's available on January 17th. Also, we have one $4 of Revlon CVS Mystery coupon. It's available on January 17th. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $3.49 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus only 49 cent money maker. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic deal scenario 2. If you have this $5 of $20 Revlon CVS CRT, Spend $12 on Revlon cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Revlon Photo Ready concealer, it's $10.79. Also, you can buy one Revlon cream eyeshadow, it's $9.29. The totals come out $20.08. Use one $5 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Revlon Cosmetic digital coupon. It's available on January 17. Also, you can use one $4 of Revlon CVS mystery coupon. It's available on January 17. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $9.08 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is $5.08 or $2.54 each. The next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Spend $15 on CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner, it's $6.49. Also, you can buy one CoverGirl Clean Press powder, it's $8.49. The totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 or $15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and $2 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. Spend $15 on CoverGirl and get back $7 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner, it's $12.98. Also, you can buy one CoverGirl Clean Press powder, it's $8.49. The totals come out $21.47. Use one $6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and one $2 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. Also, we have $2 of CoverGirl Eye printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $9.47 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.47 or $1.23 each. The next deal is L'Oreal Paris Eye and Lip Cosmetic Deal. Buy two L'Oreal Eye and Lip Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Make sure you can buy eye and lip product because it's included only just eye and lip product. Buy two L'Oreal Paris Voluminized Original Mascara, it's $19.58. Also, you can buy one L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Lipstick, it's $10.79. The totals come out $30.37. If you have this $10 of $30 L'Oreal Paris Cosmetic CVS CRT, also you can use one $2.50 L'Oreal Paris Mascara digital coupon. Also, you can use one $2.50 L'Oreal Paris Mascara printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. Use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris Lip Care digital coupon. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $13.37 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.37 each or $2.45 each. The next deal is Select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Eucerin lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have one $2 of Eucerin lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $11.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Wipe. It's $7.79. Also, you can buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Wipe. It's $7.29. The totals come out $15.08. You can use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon. Also, we have $2 of Garnier Facial Care printable coupon. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $7.08 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.08 or $1.04 each. The next deal is Garnier Facial Care Deal Scenario 2. Buy 2 Garnier Facial Care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Garnier Skin Active Micellar Wipe. It's $7.79. Also, you can buy 1 Garnier Green Lab Cleanser. It's 4.4 OZ. It's $9.99. Also, Garnier Skin Active Wipe. It's $7.29. Altogether, the totals come out $25.07. Use $6 of $25 Garnier Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of Garnier Green Lab CVS CRT. Also, we have $2 of Garnier Facial Care digital coupon and $2 of Garnier Facial Care printable coupon. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $9.07 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $4.07 or $1.35 each. The next deal is L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner deal. Buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's also sell 2 for $8. Buy 2 L'Oreal shampoo 12.6 OZ. It's $8. Use $3 of 2 L'Oreal shampoo digital coupon, and also we have $3 of 2 L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner printable coupon. It's no longer available. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner deal. Buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and get back $4 ECB. They have also limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo 12.5 OZ. It's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Use $1 of Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner digital coupon. Also, you can use $1 of Garnier Whole Blend shampoo conditioner printable coupon in coupon.com. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner deal. Buy 2 Garnier shampoo and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $7. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo 12.5 OZ. It's $7. Use $1 of 2 Garnier instant coupon at coupon center printed on this week. Use $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner digital coupon, and also use $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. This one also no longer available. The total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $4 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal is, if you have this $4 of $18 shampoo and conditioner CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoo and $2 ECB. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo and get back $3 ECB, and buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and get back $4 ECB. All of them has a limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoo, it's $8. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo, it's $7, and buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo, it's $9.98. It's $4.99 each. Altogether, the totals come out $24.99. You can use one $3 off 2 L'Oreal shampoo digital coupon, and you can use L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner printable coupon. This is possibly glitch. Also, you can use $1 of Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner digital coupon, and also you can use $1 of Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have $1 off 2 Garnier instant coupon at Coupon Center printed on this week. Also, you can use $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo conditioner digital coupon, and you can use $1 of Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $13.99 and get back $2 ECB for L'Oreal Paris shampoo, and get back $3 ECB for Garnier Fructis shampoo, and get back $4 ECB for Garnier Whole Blend shampoo. The final cost, all of them, is $4.99 or only just 83 cents each. The next deal is Boost Nutritional Drink Deal. Buy 4 Boost drink and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Also, they have on sale Boost Original on sale $7.99 each. Also, if you buy this Boost High Protein on sale, it's $8.99 each. Make sure which one you are buying. Buy 4 Boost Nutrition Original Drink Rich Chocolate 6 pack, it's $31.96. It's $7.99 each. Use $5 off 2 Boost Nutrition Drink printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have $5 off 2 Boost Nutrition Drink digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $16.96 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.96 or $1.74 each. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor deal. Buy 1 Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Gillette Venus Woman Razor, it's $9.99. Use $2 off Gillette or Venus Razor and disposable razor, CVS CRT. Use $3 off Gillette Venus Woman Razor digital coupon. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Iris Spring and Soft Body Wash deal. Buy 2 body wash and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. It's on sale 2 for $8. Buy 2 Iris Spring body wash 18 FLOZ, it's $8. Use 75 cents of Iris Spring body wash coupon on irispring.com. Use $2 off $8 body wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $3.50. Pay or roll only just $4.50 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost both product is only just $1.50 or 75 cents each. The next deal is CVS Health Brand or Live Better Baby Item deal. Spend $20 on baby item and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 CVS Health Baby Wipe 3 pack. It's $13.98. It's $6.99 each. Buy 2 CVS Health Baby Wipe 3 pack. It's $6.98 because it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. The totals come out $20.96. Use $5 of $15 CVS Health Baby Care item CVS CRT. Use $2 of baby care item CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $13.96 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $8.96 or $2.24 each. The next deal is household deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Tide Pod 12 to 14 CT, it's $9.88. It's $4.94 each. You can buy 1 Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. All together, the totals come out $21.82. Use one $2 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $3 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 off $9 Tide Pod CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $13.82 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost all product is only just $8.82 or $2.94 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Buy 2 Nature Made Vitamin D3 100 count, it's $10.49. It's on also sell buy 1 get 1 free. The totals come out $30.48. Use one $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 off Nature Made Vitamin CVS CRT. You can use one $2 off Nature Made Vitamin app only coupon, and you can use one $2 off 2 Nature Made Vitamin digital coupon. Altogether, the total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $13.48 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only just $3.48 or $1.16 each. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Centrum Silver multivitamin for adult 50 plus 125 count, it's $18.73. It's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's $12.49 each. Buy 2 Nature Made Vitamin B12, it's $11.49. It's on sale buy 1 get 1 free. The totals come out $30.22. Use one $6 off $30 any vitamin purchase CVS CRT. Use one product digital coupon and use one $4 off any Centrum product printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $2 off Nature Made Vitamin CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Nature Made Vitamin app only coupon, and you can also use one $2 off 2 Nature Made Vitamin digital coupon. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.22 and get back $10 CVS gift card. The final cost is only just 22 cents or only just 5 cents each. The next deal is food deal, cookie or cracker deal. Buy 2 Nabisco cookie or cracker, it's $2, it's $1 each. Use one 75 cents off 2 Nabisco cookie digital coupon. Pay or roll only just $1.25. The final cost is only just 62 cents each. The next deal is skinny popcorn deal. It's on sale 2 for $6. Buy 2 skinny popcorn, it's $6. Use one $1 of skinny popcorn digital coupon, and you can use one $1 of skinny popcorn printable coupon. It's no longer available. Pay or roll $4. The final cost is only just $2 each. The next deal is select Hall cough drop deal. Buy 2 Halls cough drop and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 Halls cough drop 30 CT, it's $4.33. It's $2.89 each. Pay or roll $4.33 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is $2.33 or $1.16 each. So this is my next deal and the last deal. Buy 3 Hallmark card and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Hallmark card, it's $6, it's $2 each. Use one $3 off 2 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Pay or roll only just $3 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. Hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to bell icon so you have a notification on next time whenever I put my video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.